Here's how you get closed caption on 5-star. So you're at your home screen, scroll over and click on 5-star. Then you pick out what you want to see. For example, let's go up to TV shows, movies. I was watching Hitman. So you click on it, and when it starts to play, you use your ring and you go up to the very top and scroll over to that square right there. Then when you click on it, it says you want it in English, yes, and there you have your closed caption. You do the same thing if you want to see closed caption on your TV shows. So let's take a look at that. So let's go here, say we were watching this one. So we just scroll up with the ring, we scroll over, click on it, turn on subtitles, and now we have our closed caption.